So these are the men's True Classic tees. I really like these shirts because it's just the fit, the colors, they usually come in a 4-pack, but just the fit around the chest and the arms is really nice because it's fitted, but it's not super tight. Plus, really my favorite thing here is actually the length of them. My belt line is about right here, and these come down, this has been washed multiple times, comes down a few inches past your belt line. Here's my belt line, and then they come down right here. So they're not going to be riding up even if you're working out. So see, I'm working out, they're not coming above my belt. They don't make me, you know, if you do have a belly, they're not coming out. Just a really nice fit overall, and the colors are great also. I think they come in a pack of a 4-pack, so you get like a blue, it's like a navy blue, a black, an army green, and maybe like a gray or something. But this white was in one of the packs, I think, also. But just the fit of these shirts, guys, I would recommend them. I've got a few myself, and I think they are worth it. So go ahead and check these out.